Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
This upgrade replaces the PS4 Slim internal hard drive with a 2.5-inch SATA SSD. Gather a 2.5-inch SSD no thicker than 9.5 mm and a Phillips screwdriver. Use an external USB drive to create a full backup of your games and save data. Download the PS4 reinstallation file to an 8 GB USB flash drive formatted FAT32 or XFAT. Verify the PS4 file is the correct system software and is roughly 1 GB in size. Power off the PS4 Slim and unplug every cable to avoid electrical damage. Slide off the HDD bay cover on the rear edge and remove the single screw. Pull out the drive tray and unscrew 4 screws holding the 2.5-inch drive in its caddy. Replace the old drive with your 2.5-inch SATA SSD and secure it with those screws. Slide the tray back into place and replace the bay cover and screw. Connect the prepared USB drive with system software to a PS4 USB port before powering on. Hold the power button for 7 seconds until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. Choose Initialize PS4, reinstall system software, and follow prompts to load the file from the USB drive. The console will format the new SSD and install system software. After setup, reconnect your external backup drive and restore games and saved data to the SSD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.